heard the expression, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. When it comes to closing your pool, nothing could be more true. Taking the time to wrap things up properly this season will save you a ton of headaches, time, energy, and chemicals when you open your pool next season. Let's walk through the simple process. The first thing you need to do is balance the water to get total alkalinity, pH, and hardness all in the right ranges. Total alkalinity should be between 80 and 120 ppm, pH between 7.2 and 7.8, and hardness ideally between 200 and 400 ppm. If you're not sure how to balance your water, visit frogbalance.com or download the free Frog Water Care app. Next, use the convenient Frog Leap Pool Hibernation Kit with Depth Charge, a non-chlorine shock, Reveille, a chlorine shock, and Frog Leap All Out to prevent algae spores from growing. This combination will help keep your water clean all winter. Run your circulation continuously for 24 hours. Now it's time to drain some water. You want to lower the level of the pool to 2 inches below the skimmer. This keeps the skimmer and the pipes from being damaged by freezing. See your dealer for additional advice on the best way to partially drain your pool for winter. In addition, be sure to drain the water from all of your equipment, including pumps, filters, and your frog infuser, using the knob at the bottom. Take the torpedo pack out of the infuser. If it still contains chlorine, wrap it up in plastic and store it in a cool, dry, well-ventilated area away from children, open flames, or anything metal. Take out the anti-bac mineral pack as well and discard it, even when you hear the spent minerals left inside. The active mineral lasts 6 months or 1 pool season, whichever is shorter. To maintain all of the fresh mineral water benefits, the anti-bac mineral pack needs to be replaced every spring for winter climates and every 6 months for year-round pools. Finally, dry out the inside of the Frog Leap infuser and replace the cap loosely. Now you can sit back, relax, and feel great knowing that when pool season rolls back around, you'll have a huge jump on it. Have questions? Give us a call. We're happy to help.